In this video, I'll show you how to adjust the mic volume on Mecha. So let's say, for instance, your mic volume is low and your squad mates cannot hear you, or it's too loud and you'd like to reduce it. You can simply do that within the settings. So all you have to do is launch the game on your console or on your PC and sign into your account, and you should get to this homepage. And then from here, simply use the controller pointer icon or the mouse pointer icon and select menu at the bottom right corner. And then from the options that appear, simply select settings. Now within the settings, select audio and then ensure that you select voice chat within the audio settings. So there you go. And then within the voice chat main section or settings, you should find the mic volume. Now to adjust the mic volume, all you have to do is press on this slider icon, press and hold, and use your controller or your mouse to adjust the microphone volume. So you can either reduce it if it's too loud, or you can increase it if no one is hearing you on the comms. Now once you're done, you can simply exit and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.